Hello, my name is Ephraim and I fix electronics. Right here we have a laptop. It's a HP laptop, but it's not turning on. Let's see. I know that the adapter port is right here. If you look at it very well, it's right here. So this is the wire and it's coming to this part of the board. It's coming here and the positive is going to this other part of the board. So here we have our first MOSFET. We have the second one right here, and this is a current sense resistor here. There's a current sense resistor right here. So let me come with the adapter. Let me put the power supply and see what is going on. The power supply jack, I need to take it out of the frame. Yeah. It's out. So all I need is just the board. So I can now take this guy away from here. Okay, thank you. Okay, let's come with the power supply. Here's the power supply, and let's go to voltage mode. Just want to confirm that there is 19 volts, 19.5 on the adapter. Yeah, we have it. Here it's plugged. There should be a light here. There should be a light here that indicates that this thing is working. So let's just trace the voltage from the adapter. Okay, take it to voltage mode and put it on 20. The reason why we are putting it on 20 is because what we are measuring is like 19.5 volts. So the 20 range should be okay. The 2 volts won't work, but the 200 should work. Let's just leave it on 20 and see what is going on here. So put your black probe to ground. Just put it to ground, maybe anywhere here, and let's see the positive. This is the positive coming. Let's see, do we have 19? Yeah, we have 19 and it's flickering. 17, 19, 18, 15, 17. Okay, let's just go to the other part of the board. Put your black probe to ground. This is like the first MOSFET. So let's see, do we have 19 volts? Yeah, on this part we have 0. So on the second MOSFET, what do we have here? We have 0. That means here on this current sense resistor there should be 0. Okay, the next thing we can do is to check for short circuit. So what I will do is bring my multimeter to diode mode. This time I want to put my red probe to ground and check here. Is there any short circuit? No. What about across here? No. What about here? Whoa. Okay, there's short circuit here. There's a short circuit here. Let's take out the RAM. Take the RAM out. Okay, let's come with the microscope and see what is going on. So let's look at the board very well. And this is the first MOSFET. This is the first MOSFET. So the adapter is coming directly to here. The adapter is coming here. So this is the first MOSFET and this is the second one. The adapter is coming directly to this point. This is the first MOSFET. This is the second one. And from this point should go to this current sense resistor. And from this current sense resistor, the 19 volts should go to every other part of the board that needs it. Okay, let's check here. Look at this point. So from the current sense resistor, the 19 volts is exiting this board through this point. So let's check the back of the board. It's coming, and it terminates here, this point. So all this trace, so here it's going behind the board again. So what I'm looking for, it's physical damage. Let's observe it if we can see anything. This cap looks okay, it looks okay. Okay, let's just say this is okay. This is okay. Let's check this part. I don't know, but this guy looks different. This guy looks different, but I don't know. This guy looks cracked, but in appearance it looks great. So let's just see what we can do. Let's inject voltage and look for what is getting hot. Let's inject voltage. I'm going to take my multimeter probe and make use of the power supply. I know that on that rail is 19 volts. So what I'm going to do is clip my ground here. Let me see it very well. Okay, I'm good. So I'm going to take my multimeter probe and do something like this. Yeah, this is good. So let me see. What I'm looking for is what is going to get hot on this line. That is what I'm after. Okay, let's see. I know that, yeah, this is ground. This is ground from the wire. This is 19 volts. So definitely this part of the cap is ground and this part is the 19 volts. Okay, let's see what yeah, it's like I'm getting something here. Am I feeling anything? No. It's not completely short. So what could it be? So I'm trying to observe here. Nothing. Yeah, something is getting warm here. Something is getting warm on this part. Let me take out the battery. Take the battery out. Something is getting warm over here. So what could that be? Let me just check what it is. I know that something is getting warm somewhere close to this area. So let me inject voltage again. To be sure, yeah, it's okay. So I'm going to the current sense resistor area and let me see if it is this part. Yeah, something is getting crazy hot. Something is getting crazy hot. Let's see. It might be here. Let's see. Okay. Really, really hot. I've not been able to. Let's do it again. I need to know what is getting hot. Yeah, I'm here. Yeah, I found it. It looks like this one. Let me come with fuel. Let's try fuel, but if you have something like isopropyl alcohol, that should be great. Let's just put fuel here. Let me show you the problem. So it wasn't even the one I was suspecting. It's this bloody capacitor. Watch. Immediately I come with the power supply. Look. See what I mean? So This is the freaking problem. Just a shorted capacitor. That is the problem. That is the problem. Maybe I should remove it so you understand what I mean. Let's go to diode mode. So if I put one probe to ground, any of these holes, any of this is grounded. So if I put one probe to ground, go to the current sense resistor, you see there's like 003. Don't know this multimeter, if I should say it's 0.03 or so, but this is what I mean. Okay, what if we take out the capacitor? Will it work? Sure, it should. It should. Already I've shown you the problem. For the sake of this video, so that it doesn't look as if I'm hiding anything from you guys, let me show you. Let me just take off this capacitor. I will be back. Let's take this cap out. Okay, I'm back. So this is the cap. Let's keep it somewhere here. Just keep it somewhere here. I need to be careful so I don't throw it away. And let's go to the current sense resistor. Again, is there any short? No. Now let's test this cap. Let's just test this cap and see if it is shorted. Yeah, this is what has been holding this laptop from turning on. I need to be sure it's cold before I put in the adapter. I think it's safe. A moment of truth. Let's see. You understand what I mean? Yeah, the light is just blinking. You see? Let's see. Let's find out what's going on. But I think we are safe now. Let's go to 20 volts. And let's check the current sense resistor. Yeah, we have 19.5 now. So the next thing I would love to check is it turning on? Yeah, let's see if it is turning on. Let's put on the RAM first. This is the RAM. Should be DDR3 or so. Yeah, PC3 is DDR3. So let's put it on. Push it down here. Let's just do something like this. Assemble it and just give me a moment. Plug the fan. This is the fan. I hope that capacitor is safe. Let me check. Yeah, it's safe because I'm going to put it back. But I just want to test it and see if it is working. Yes. So what? LVDS. See, I was thinking it's this other capacitor right here, but it's not. It wasn't. It is not that cap. I should turn on. Yeah, here's the power button. What's this? Here's the power button. Okay. Come with the power supply and lock it. Yeah, it just flashed. So okay, I need this light. I need to look for ground. I need to look for ground too. Because there's no point trying to couple it right now. So I just need to look for ground. Yes. Yeah, that pin is ground. Okay, let me put back the adapter. Put back the adapter. Let's check for 3.3 volts. 2.8. 3.3. I think the third one. Let's see. So I'm going to short 3.3 to ground. Let's see what will happen. I didn't. It didn't. It didn't. Didn't. So what's going on? You are supposed to turn on. Okay, let me just do the right thing. Will it turn on? Yeah, I can see the light here. So what is going on? I can see the light. Just came and went away. No, I don't want this. This is not good. Okay, we are good. Just give it some time. Yeah, yeah. Any progress? Yes. Yes. We have HP. Yes. So the problem is that capacitor. It's just that capacitor.